In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of text on Samsung phone. This is a simple yet powerful adjustment to make your device more comfortable to use. Whether you prefer larger text for easier reading or smaller text to fit more information on the screen, I'll guide you through each step. First, let's start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You'll find this icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a small gear or cogwheel. Once you tap it, you'll enter the main hub for all your phone's settings. This is important because the Settings app is where you control and customize almost everything about how your phone functions and looks. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Display. Tap on Display to proceed. This section is dedicated to everything related to your screen and how things appear on it. From here, you can adjust brightness, wallpaper, and of course, text size. Understanding these settings is crucial for creating a viewing experience that suits your personal preferences and needs. Next up, tap on Font Size and Style. This is where the magic happens. You might notice additional options for changing the font style itself, but today we are focusing on the size. Adjusting the font size can significantly impact how you interact with your device, making information more accessible and reducing eye strain. Now, you'll see a slider labeled Font Size. Here's where you can make your desired adjustments. Drag the slider to the left if you want smaller text. Alternatively, slide it to the right to increase the text size. Take a moment to find a size that feels right for you. This little adjustment can make a big difference in how easily you can read text messages, emails, and other on-screen content. After adjusting the slider, you don't need to do anything else to save your changes. Samsung automatically saves your new settings, letting you immediately see the effect. This ensures that the text on your phone is always at a size that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you're happy with the text size, you can simply close the Settings app. Your changes are already applied and will remain until you decide to adjust them again. This means you can confidently move on to other tasks, knowing your phone is set up just the way you like it. With that ready, remember that customizing your phone's display settings isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making your device work better for you. Whether you're reading long articles or quickly scanning through messages, having the right text size can make your experience more seamless and enjoyable. Finally, keep in mind that you can return to these settings at any time. Feel free to experiment with different sizes as your preferences or needs change over time. Technology should adapt to you, not the other way around. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to change the text size on your Samsung phone.